Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to make a PayPal account without credit card. So simply in order to do this, just you have to click on sign up, and after that when you click on the sign up, simply after that select the account that you want to open and now click on get started. So now here when you click on get started, you will move to the next page, sign up page. So now simply type your first name here, last name here, type your email here, and after that type the password here. Like you have to create a strong password. After that click on agree and create account. So now you click here, you will move to next page. So just wait for a few seconds, our account is being created here. So now when you move here, so simply as you can see, get verified to start accepting payments. So simply just click on get verified. So like here you have to enter your personal details. So like when you enter your personal details, simply in my case I already created many accounts here in PayPal, so simply just you have to skip this option and you don't need to verify it. So in this way you will direct move to the main account and you don't need to add a credit card. Simply you have to confirm your all details here, and after that you will move to your account. So in this way you can create a PayPal account without credit card.